Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play Pokémon HeartGold and SoulSilver on your PC using an easy method. First, you'll need to download a Nintendo DS emulator. A popular and reliable choice is Desmumi, which is available for various operating systems. Make sure your computer meets the basic system requirements, typically requiring at least 2 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor for optimal performance. Once downloaded, simply install the software following the straightforward prompts. Next, you'll need the game files themselves, often called ROMs. Search online for Pokémon HeartGold ROM and Pokémon SoulSilver ROM. These files are typically in the NDS format, which your emulator will recognize. It's crucial to download these from trusted websites to protect your computer from viruses or other malicious software. Be cautious and always scan downloaded files with antivirus software before opening them to ensure safety. With your emulator installed and ROMs ready, it's time to configure the settings for the best experience. Launch Desmumi and explore the config menu. You can tweak graphics settings like resolution and filters to enhance visuals or improve frame rates, depending on your PC's power. Crucially, set up your controls by mapping keyboard keys or a connected gamepad to the Nintendo DS buttons for a familiar and enjoyable gaming experience. Finally, you're ready to play. In your emulator, go to the File menu and select Open ROM. Browse to the location where you saved your Pokémon HeartGold or SoulSilver ROM file and select it. The game should now load, and you can begin your journey through the Johto and Kanto regions. Remember to save your progress regularly within the game, and also use the emulator's save state feature for quick saves.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.